So this is how the formula was applied. The independents were excluded, point being that the independents were excluded. And the following page, page 11, this is now the distribution of seats of National Assembly, women's seats from Punjab. In this case, it was pretty straightforward because out of 141 seats, there were 132 who were elected on political party tickets. They were their candidates or nominees, 7 independents who joined political parties. So the entire 139 was formed the basis. Two results were postponed, which belonged to Punjab. And then this follows at page 12. In page 12, in Sindh, in case of Sindh, one member retained his independent status. He was also excluded. AP, there was no exclusion. In Balochistan, there was one exclusion at page 14. Out of total 16 seats, there was one candidate who was independent. He retained his independent status. You would see on page 14 that the quota was then worked out on the basis of 15 seats. And so on and so forth. Now, if I may take your lordships for a moment to page 4. These are the rules which are called the National Assembly and Provincial Assemblies Allocation of Reserved Seats of Women and Non-Muslims Procedure Rules 2002. Now these are material in two respects.
These have not been repealed.
But sir, I'll come to that because 2017 ने फिर इनको repeal किया. Rules 4 and 5 are in pari materia with rules 94 and 95 of 2017 rules.
Rule 4 is pari materia
to 94, and Rule 5 is pari materia with Rule 95. The sub-rule 2 of Rule 5 with one material difference which is not relevant for the purpose of this discussion, this case. At that point in time, I just, for the sake of completeness, under the 2002 rules, my lord, yesterday जब आपने मुझे 95-1 पढ़ने का कहा तो मैं कहा कि जो लोग 2 सीटों पे जीत के आएंगे तो वो exclude नहीं होंगे for the purpose of working out the share, but under Rule 5, sub-rule 2 of these rules, they were excluded. In addition to the independents, they were also excluded, but this was done away with while making 2017 rules. And under the 2017 rules, it is only the independents who get excluded. My lords, if I may, page 7 पे देखेंगे. It must be a folded page, page 7. This is the 2002 Assembly, the 12th National Assembly. In this, my lords, at serial number 16, at the bottom, there were 14 independents who had retained their independent status. Out of the House of 272, the results were withheld on 2 seats. So the 270 was the number. 14 independents. The share was worked out on the basis of exclusion by excluding 14 independents, and it was 256 seats which formed the basis for working out the formula. And at serial number 4 and 5, you'd see there were 2 parties who had gotten 13 seats each. Whereas there were 14 independents, but the seat went to one of these 2 parties because there was a tie and a lot was drawn, and it was given to MQM at that time because वो 10वीं seat थी. Page 9. Now this is important, but before you turn to page 9, one point I want to make here. The 2002 National Assembly was the assembly in which, for the first time, 51-6, the distribution of seats took place under 51-6. This is the assembly which had passed the 17th Amendment. So when we look at the legislative intent, my lords and your ladyship will please bear in mind that the assembly which had passed the 17th Amendment was perfectly okay with the distribution of seats by the exclusion of independents. Every successive National Assembly, the same practice has been followed. At no point in time, either the independents have objected to it or any of the political parties across the aisle have objected to the exclusion of independents. So my lord and your ladyship will bear the legislative intent in mind, what they had in mind while introducing Article 51, Clause 6. Page 9, sir. Now this is Balochistan Assembly. This is relevant only because a large number of independents got returned. more than 20% of that assembly comprised of independent candidates. And at the time when the reserve seats were being distributed, you'd see, sir, the total seats in Balochistan at that time and now also 51. 2 seats were taken out because of death, and one returned candidate was appointed as the governor. So 49 seats were the relevant seats, out of which 10 were independents. And the 10 was equivalent to 20.41% of the total. So the distribution of 11 women seats was worked out on the basis of 39 seats, which was by excluding independents, and those 39 seats formed the basis for working out or distributing or for allocating the reserve seats. My point, my lord, as I had submitted yesterday, all along, the independents have always been excluded, and it is quite clear from the text of 51(6) and so also the purpose of it, that seats have to be given to political parties. It is the women whose representation was to be secured through political parties on the basis of proportional representation.